Hello friends. Today let's discuss about viral diseases. Why we have to know about the viral diseases in today's life? Because since 1.5 year we have been already experiencing the impacts and the ill effects of the COVID-19. So it is very much necessary to know the general viral diseases that we encounter in our day-to-day life. Let us start. The types of viral diseases. What are viral diseases? Viral diseases are the diseases caused by the viruses. What is a virus? It is a microorganism which we cannot see with our naked eye but can be seen only with the help of a microscope. There are almost 200 plus viruses. So they cause various diseases like the chickenpox, flu, that is the common cold, herpes, HIV or the AIDS, human papilloma virus or HPV, infectious mononucleosis, mumps, measles, rubella, viral meningitis, and still a lot more diseases are caused by the virus. These are the common diseases one can encounter in their lives one or the other time. Viral diseases in humans. Viruses can diseases both in humans as well as in animals. In animals, we can see in dogs, that is the rabies. In cows and cattle, we can see foot and mouth diseases, which are caused by the viruses. In the same way, humans also gets affected with the viruses. These are caused by viruses. These are the type of microorganisms that can be seen with the help of a microscope, which of the size of the order of 10 power of minus 6. This is the size of the microorganisms. There are a lot of infections caused by viruses. Most important is the common cold, which affects the nose and the throat. What are the symptoms of these viral diseases? You can observe in this figure the rashes on the skin or the inflammation on the skin, headache, fever. So the flu like symptoms like cough, ache, pain, vomiting and diarrhea, runny nose, sneezing. It is, we simply call it as allergy. When we do some work, when we come across some dust particles and all, we'll start sneezing. So this is due to the allergic reaction. Rashes on the skin, irritability of the skin, fever, etc. These are the common symptoms of the viral diseases. What are the life threatening symptoms of the viral diseases? That is the shortness of breath that we are experiencing in COVID-19 cases, chest pain, the same, the high fever, same symptom of corona, yellowing of skin and whitening of eyes. Sometimes this is the discoloration of the skin we are experiencing in the silent hypoxia or the happy hypoxia, which is the another type of corona or the side effect of the corona. Lethargic condition or a fatigue condition, we can say. Types of viruses. What are the viruses that can cause these common viral diseases? You can observe the shape of these common viruses. This is the HIV virus, hepatitis B, Ebola virus, adenovirus, influenza, bacteriophage. These are the some of the viruses that can cause viral diseases. There are more than 200 types of viruses which causes only the common cold and the flu. So other types of viruses causes other viral diseases. Rotavirus and noroviruses are the other type. Enteroviruses, H1N1, we have come across this. It is also causes dengue fever, which is the virus that causes dengue fever, or the other name is H1N1. It is a H1N1 virus. West Nile virus, Ebola virus. In the past recent years, it caused many deaths in the African countries. Coronavirus, which we are experiencing right now all over the world. How these viral diseases gets transmitted to humans, or it could be to animals. That means, what is the mode of transmission? What is the agency which transmits this virus or the that viral infection from that virus to the humans? Breathing in virus contaminated air droplets. So in corona cases, we are talking or we are getting suggestion from doctors that now coronavirus is airborne. That is, when the person is cough or sneezes, the air droplets coming out of the mouth or the nose spreads the coronavirus, which persists in the air for about 3 hours. When another person comes to the same area and he inhale the air, he will also get infected with the virus. So that is, here we can say the air droplets is a mode of transmission or a transmitting agent. Being bitten by virus contaminated animals, insects like will get rabies infected dog when it bites a person, he will also infected, and insects like mosquitoes, flies eating food and water contaminated with a virus, that is the street side foods or fruits during summer which are kept open, and sexual contact with infected person, for example HIV or hepatitis B, hep B, using used syringes during the blood donation, or sometimes due to our bad fate we may get infected with the used syringes by accidentally, or sometimes accidentally during the hospitals. Usually that won't happen. Touching contaminated surfaces and then mouth, nose, eyes without washing hands. So, after once the corona has come in 2019, December 31st, when it broke out in Wuhan, China, we have all learned the importance of washing our hands. What are the precautions that has to be taken in order to prevent these viral diseases? Washing hands with soap or ethanol based hand wash, because the hand wash or the soap contaminated with minimum 70% of alcohol can kill a virus. When the virus comes in contact with the soap and water, it gets inactivated or gets killed due to prior vaccination. That means vaccination before the disease comes. Sufficient sleep or rest, proper diet with all nutrition in order to increase our resistance power. Maintaining hygiene in and around living areas, that is, we should not store the water unnecessarily in open pots so that mosquitoes can lay its eggs and it can cause dengue fever. What are the possible complications of these viral diseases? Acute bronchitis, cervical cancer, dehydration, ear infection, pneumonia, shock and coma, sinusitis, worsening of asthma. These some of the conditions we are experiencing in COVID-19 cases also. What are the methods to cure these viral diseases? Proper medication at the early stages, taking plenty of fluids, extra rest and the sleep, maintaining the good nutrition. Because in COVID 19 cases, we have been hearing by doctors repeatedly to drink a hot water, to consume the hot food, to take a proper rest, and to increase our immunity or the resistance power, and to not to take the self medication. Instead, when we encounter with the symptoms of the corona, we have to approach the doctor, and according to their suggestion we have to take a medicine.